This memory kit is the Crucial Pro DDR4 3200 MHz, and this kit is 16 plus 16, so it is 32 gigabytes in total. In this video, I'm gonna unbox it and then I'm gonna install it in my Dell computer, and I'm gonna show you how to install it. So let me open the box. And they feel really good. They have a heat sink, as you notice. So I'm gonna install them in my Dell PC. So this is where the RAM goes. I'm gonna remove the old RAM. It has two holders here. You need to push them down like this from each side, and then remove the RAM. And you notice that the memory DIMM has a short side and a long side, and it has an opening here, a key in the middle. So the key should go into the key that is here. So you just rest it in the socket, and then you push it down from both sides, and it should click in place. So now this first one is installed. Let me install the second one, the same thing. And it is also installed. And notice a nice label here on the RAM. So now I'm gonna close the PC, and when you restart the PC, it will prompt you to go into the BIOS so that to save the configuration. So let me start my PC to show you what I'm talking about. So here's the message I was telling you about. Let me zoom in so that you can see it. It says, warning message, alert, the amount of system memory has changed. Of course, this message might change depending on your system BIOS. Here I have a Dell computer. So I need to go into the BIOS setup and then restart the computer, and everything will work. So here in the Dell computer, I have here a BIOS setup button that I'm gonna click. Of course, going into the BIOS setup will depend on the model of your motherboard. So just go into the BIOS setup. And here, if you want to check if the memory is working correctly, click on System Information. And you see that here I have now memory installed 32 gigabytes. And it's running at its full capacity, which is 2666 megahertz, because my chipset in the Dell doesn't support faster memory. So even though the memory is 3200 megahertz, it will work in this Dell computer. So now I'm gonna click on Exit, and now the computer will work as intended.